guys, it's your girl K-Dash. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you are new. Today I'm back with another video, and as you can tell by the title and by my hair, we are doing a review on the Sensational SHEAR MUSE synthetic wig. So if you're interested in all the details about this wig and how I feel about it, go ahead and keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and without further ado, we're gonna get right on into it. All right guys, this is the Sensational SHEAR MUSE wig, 100% premium fiber, so you know that means it's synthetic, honey. And it is from the Empress lace wig, lace front edge collection that's you know, Sensational has. And I got her in the style Lachan, I believe, is that how you say that? Lachan. And I got the color baby pink. It claims to have ear-to-ear lace with baby hair. It says it's safe up to 300 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit to curl. And it comes in so many other different colors. Let me show you guys all the options. So, you know, you open it, pull it out like this. Got the little card. Right here is literally all the variety of colors that they offer. You can buy this wig online. However, I just so happened to buy it at my beauty supply store because they had it in stock. I was so excited when they said they did because I didn't want to pay for shipping and all that. I wanted to hurry up and get it. So I was able to walk in, get it, and walk right out. So just go ahead and check your local beauty supply before you put in your order. But yeah. So they have so many different colors to choose from if you're not, you know, a pink girl. And I might actually try a different color from here. I don't know. But yeah, obviously, you know, Valentine's Day is around the corner, so I wanted to try pink just, you know, to be festive. So when you take her out, obviously, as usual, if you get a synthetic wig, it comes in this net. And you can already tell, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I can tell. They already have the baby hair shaped out in the hairline. It doesn't look bad. Here's the wig. She is super straight. I'll probably run a flat iron over her just a little bit to give it that extra straightness. But like I showed you before, the lace is pretty decent. It's actually not too dark. I'm gonna put foundation over it anyway, so that doesn't really matter. But you can see me running my hands through it, and I'm getting a couple of hairs. You probably can't see it because it's pink. I got a couple hairs, but it's not like ridiculously a lot. This is an event wig. This is not something I would wear every day. Inside the wig, you have the normal 2 clips on the side where the part is. Then you have the back clip in the back, and then the adjustable straps. It's gonna be really easy to style this wig because the baby hairs are already kind of out and the hairline is already plucked. I'm not gonna be doing too much to this wig because it is a light color. Parting, I'm definitely gonna mess with a little bit, just make it a little bigger. Yeah, I think this wig is about 26 inches long, but we'll figure it out once I put it on for you guys. I'm about to go put this wig on, install it, and come back and show you guys how it looks and my final thoughts on the wig. All right guys, I am back, and as you can see, I have the wig on and I got a little red dress on, you know, just to, you know, throw the pink and red in there for Valentine's Day. I did my makeup just so you guys can get the full look. Now I'm going to give you guys my overall opinion on the wig. As you can see, the hair it's called baby pink, and it's very true to color. It is a really light pink color. I really love this on my skin tone. I personally think it would look good on any skin tone, but yeah, this pink is really cute. It comes down to about my my hips, so I think that's about 26 inches. I'm pretty sure, because well, it might be 30 inches, because well, my height is 5'6", like 5'5", 5'6", so it comes right down to literally at my hip. I think that might be 30 inches. Who knows? It's long. It's a long wig. I definitely can see me maybe cutting it into a bob because it's not gonna last long, guys. Let me tell you guys. So you know how I was saying that it was shedding in the previous clip? It definitely sheds. I said it was a little bit. No. Once you start messing with it and like plucking the hairline and stuff like that, you're getting shedding. Like, it's kind of ridiculous how much shedding it is. This wig was $50, if I haven't said that already. All the information will be in the description box, y'all know that. But yeah, the shedding is not it. That's why it was already giving like one day vibes, like just for like a second type of thing. Like, I'm taking pictures in this probably and then not wearing it again. Like, well, I'll wear it out like maybe once, but the shedding is so bad. Like, the tangling isn't too bad, but it's like anytime it gets tangled, oh, you're gonna get some shedding. Like, let me see. Like, it's tangled right here a little bit. All this hair, y'all. Hold on. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me make a little ball for y'all. Just from me running through my hairs through that one tangle. Like, it wasn't even, the whole hair wasn't even tangled. It was just that one spot and all that hair came out. It's ridiculously, like, it sheds a lot. It sheds more than like a 613 wig, which is crazy because they be shedding. I honestly think that is the only downfall of this wig. I applied this wig very easily. You see, I put with lighter wigs like this, or like wigs with one color instead of like, you know, root at the like a dark root, I like to apply foundation to make sure that it like shows the part. Some people like still like to use powder. I like to use my foundation just so I get that clean part right there. The baby hairs, it came with baby hairs, but I made a little bit more and it wasn't hard to lay down at all. I really enjoyed this wig. I just wish maybe the other colors don't shed as much, maybe, but girl, this pink one does. Baby pink sheds. She sheds, and it's a lot. So if that's something you can't deal with, do not get this wig. I would say this wig is not big head friendly, only because I feel like I have a small head and it's pretty tight on my head. Like, this lays very perfectly. I didn't have to cut any of the lace like off on my ears. It lays directly on my ears. So, well, not directly on my ears, but you know, like right at where my hairline ends. So I really don't think this wig is like really big, and it didn't give that much of a stretch to me personally. You can still buy the wig and try it out, but I don't think, if you have a big head, I wouldn't risk it. I don't know. Overall, I mean, for $50, it could be better. It could be better. I give them with the lace. They did that. But the hair shedding so much, it's just a little, it's a turn off a little bit. I still want to try the other colors. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about this wig. If you have any other questions about it, just leave them in the comments below and I'll get to them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Girl, what is you waiting for? As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thinking about the things that we did, you made me wanna come.